Right now, if you own XRP, XLM, and Hedera HBAR, you need to see this breaking news huge video on NASDAQ because XRP, XLM, and HBAR were all featured on NASDAQ. This guy spoke about those three cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to show you this video right now in today's video because this is huge. Listen closely. You're watching mainstream media wake up in real time to the immense potential that ISO 2022 will bring, and they were once dismissed as speculation, but now people are taking them seriously. Now the price is just an attention grabble, but the real story is happening behind the scenes. That infrastructure is being built right now before our very own eyes, and I'm going to show you these videos of this guy speaking about XRP, XLM, and Hedera HBAR.
The top performers of current constituents were on nobody's bingo card, right? Ripple and Stellar and HBAR. So a lot of the names that were where there was excitement in the beginning of the year sort of switched places.
So if you own these three cryptocurrencies, destroy the like button real quick, join us, subscribe, because he also just said that not many people were speaking about these cryptocurrencies. But on this channel, we have been speaking about XRP, XLM, and Hedera HBAR now for years. And hopefully all of you have made so much money with these cryptocurrencies. So join us, subscribe, and now let's get into it. Let me show you this video because this is huge.
These two big clumps of performance, and in between we had to be super patient. It was really a Bitcoin year a lot, although after the election, the idea of smart contract platforms and other growth-oriented digital assets gained favor. They have much more to benefit from a new regulatory pavement. So Ethereum sprang back to life, a lot of other layer ones, a lot of DeFi protocols. So the CoinDesk 20 index ended up 88% on the year. The top performers of current constituents were on nobody's bingo card, right? Ripple and Stellar and HBAR. So a lot of the names that were where there was excitement in the beginning of the year sort of switched places. So it was a very strong year, and it really provided a launch pad for 2025.
Which is interesting because
Ripple, Stellar, and HBAR. He said that they were on nobody's bingo list, but it was on our bingo list. Yes, you watching, and on this channel, again, we have been speaking about HBAR, XRP, and XLM for years, and we have made so much money in the past year. XRP is up about 5x, XLM is up about 3x, and HBAR is up about 4x. But anyway, here's another clip of him speaking about Ripple, XRP, and XLM. Listen to this.
Again, I don't think anybody had Ripple and Stellar on their bingo cards for best performer out of a CoinDesk 20 last year. So
he keeps mentioning XRP, Ripple, and Stellar, XLM. And he keeps saying that it was on nobody's bingo cards. Like we have been speaking about XRP, XLM now for so long, and Hedera HBAR as well. And also speaking about NASDAQ. NASDAQ has filed a 19B4 to list and trade the Grayscale Hedera ETF. So NASDAQ is literally going to have an Hedera HBAR ETF trading on its exchange. And also a NASDAQ listed company has bought XRP and Bitcoin and made it part of its reserve. Worksport, this company right here, they made XRP and Bitcoin part of its corporate treasury. And Worksport is a NASDAQ listed company. And also, NASDAQ officially added XRP's ETF index to its lineup. Basically, there's a lineup of ETFs coming soon on NASDAQ, and NASDAQ has added it to its lineup. So that is huge, everyone, right now. If you own XRP, XLM, and Hedera HBAR, destroy the like button, show your support because more people need to see this video. And now, I'm going to play you the entire clip because I just showed you a small clip of where he mentioned XRP and XLM and HBAR.
Blockchain brought trustlessness to an industry that requires trust. And for institutional adoption, we sort of have to bring trust to trustlessness, right? And collateral management, custody, execution quality, knowing who your counterparty is, a lot of bilateral derivatives are going to explode in volume, right? It's not only just going to be centralized exchanges exchanging fiat for blockchain assets. It's going to be all kinds of trading. And a lot of that for institutional adoption is going to require familiar levels of trust. Right. So that has to be married back. Index investing, I think our biggest theme last year was that people didn't know what to do after Bitcoin. And I think many people still don't. And most people probably shouldn't, right? 5%ers who are going to spend 5% of their investment time thinking about crypto and maybe even allocating 1 or 2 or 3% shouldn't spend the time necessary to decide whether it's going to be Solana or Sui.
I think the infrastructure plays are interesting.
Right? But which one, right? Which one's going to reign supreme? Again, I don't think anybody had Ripple and Stellar on their bingo cards for best performer out of a CoinDesk 20 last year. So index investing with maintaining, rebalancing into the top performers, the biggest names, the best liquidity, right? The easiest implementation cost, which is how a lot of our indices are built. We're about to launch a bunch of new indices next week, actually, that go much broader for the professional set, for the hedge fund that has a 200 token depth, for the IPO market maker who really needs to think about not Bitcoin and Ether, but the next 100 tokens. We think serving that market's going to be very important. So correlation to those tail assets is going to be important. For the everyday investor, and
NASDAQ is a huge exchange here in the United States. It's NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and the Dow Jones. These are the 3 top exchanges in the world, and NASDAQ is one of those. So this is big. Listen to this, sit back, relax, destroy the like button, and enjoy. XRP, XLM, and HBAR were definitely on our bingo cards. Here's the other video, because there's another video. There's 2 clips. Here's the other video. Let me play this for you real quick. XRP, XLM, and HBAR will reign supreme. Those 3 cryptocurrencies still can go up a lot. XLM also, and Hedera HBAR. Like, if we take a look at the prices of XRP right now, we're not at all-time highs. Like, at $2, we can easily go to $3.84. That is our all-time high, which is basically a 2x almost from today's prices, just to reach our all-time high, and then we can easily do another leg up more. After that, Stellar XLM also right now is at 27 cents. Its previous all-time high was about 90 cents. So XLM needs to do another 3x to reach its all-time high, and it will do that very soon. Hedera HBAR, same thing. It's at 20 cents right now. Its previous all-time high was around 60 cents. So it's basically a 3x to reach its all-time high for HBAR as well. So you better believe that all of these cryptocurrencies, XRP, XLM, and HBAR, will definitely reach all-time highs in the coming months easily. In my opinion, we're about to see a massive bull run, with Trump making strategic reserve now public, with XRP being confirmed. XLM and HBAR could still be added to it as well. They literally, why not? XRP, XLM, and HBAR are 2 leading cryptocurrencies in the United States. There are so many connections with them in the US government, so they could be added to the strategic reserve. Big ETFs are coming soon, with XRP, with Hedera HBAR, with XLM. Massive partnerships are being announced every single day, and massive institutional adoption is coming. Institutional capital is going to come. Money is going to flow into all of these cryptocurrencies. So if you own XRP, XLM, and HBAR, join us, subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Until the next time, Wynand Crypto out.